Greetings everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about the Black History Month. You see, this month of February, we're really celebrating across the globe about the Black History Month, about the role of the blacks in many aspects. And usually when we celebrate the Black History Month, you see, most people think it is politics, slavery, civil rights. But you see, do you think that also, on top of all that, do you think that Africans have also played quite a role in establishing, documenting, and also transmitting the oldest medical information to the whole world? You see, the Black African Month or the Black History Month should not only be about remembrance, and I challenge everyone this morning, it should be restoration, restoration of our dignity, especially in terms of the modern medical system. I strongly believe, and documents show the same, that Africans, we have contributed a lot to medicine, from structured herbal medicine system, from bone setters and also doing some surgical practice, consider about spiritual healing, consider about community-based prevention care. All these are embedded in African traditional medicine. Go all the way to Mali, the Timbuktu system, which documented Islamic contributions. The earlier pharmacology manuscripts are found there, including in many countries. Go to Kenya, Nigeria, Tanzania, Ethiopia. From holy water modality of treatment, from baptism to counseling to the use of herbal medicines in treatment of quite a number of diseases. This is in Africa. So you see, Black History Month is not just about who we were oppressed by. It should be about what we Africans contributed to the whole world. We Africans have strongly contributed quite a lot for the global modern medicine growth. Quite a number of our herbal medicines. Take, for example, Artemisia annua, which is the natural source plant for the biological active artemisinin, which is used in treatment of malaria. Take, for example, the vinical colloids from the Madagascar periwinkle plant, okay, which we got now, vincristine, vinblastine, which are used for management of solid tumor. You see, all our medicinal plants have contributed a lot. That's why I'm saying modern medicine didn't start in the laboratory. And many of the drugs we found currently are there in nature. As I told you, from artemisinin to the vincristine to morphine, mention hundreds of plants are a very essential sources of drugs globally. Yet, from Africa, the problem, we have not documented it. And yet, we know that in this era, we know majority, near to 30–50% of the medicines originate from natural source. But we are quiet. And the interesting fact is, Africa has one of the richest biodiversity on Earth, okay? And the problem is, we just export our raw materials, our plants, and we import very expensive pharmaceutical products. That is why I'm saying that Africa is sitting in pharmaceutical gold mine. That is why we need to wake up. Our leaders, our policymakers should wake up, and we need really to integrate our effort, put all our effort to do quite a lot of research. Because the untapped wells of African medicine is unimaginable. We are sitting on billions of dollars. The indigenous knowledge, the experience. You see, 80% of Africans still use traditional medicine in one form. Sometimes they integrate it with modern medicine or the drugs or some others. Sometimes when they are frustrated, they leave it and they do their traditional medicine. So what I'm saying is, traditional medicine in Africa really includes quite a lot. From herbal medicines, the spiritual interventions, the manipulative therapies like the massage and the others, and also the community-based rituals, okay? So keep in mind, I'm really advocating for leaders to put an effort towards standardization of herbal products, towards a heavy investment in this space. Thank you for listening.